children, welcome you all to the new series Python Practically. This series, Python Practically, is a special dedication to my 10-year-old son who wants to learn Python. So, here in this series, together with technical knowledge, there'll be lots of love inside. This series will adhere to the concept of the channel Stop Mugging. The basic idea is when you start mugging up things, you easily forget things. So, all of us study subjects like English, maths, science, social, and so on. We study them as subjects, write them as subjects, and also get marks. But are we all using these subjects in our daily day to day life? Most probably no. So, here in this series, to overcome that, we will understand concepts, we'll see the concepts working practically, you will implement the concepts, and you will use it in your daily day to day life. Which means you will study certain concepts, you will implement those concepts, and you will also use those concepts in your daily life. Which means you will not forget things throughout. Excited, right? Yes. In this series, in every video, there'll be very simple and friendly animated sessions. You will have a practical session, you will have an information, and you will have a research for the viewer. Which means in this series, it is not like only I will talk, it's going to be a two-way communication where you will also interact with me. So, the basic goal of this series is to build simple applications in Python for daily use. The simple applications can be a small game, a homework remainder system for you, a mark analysis system, a grocery management system for your house, and so on. We will start with simple applications and we'll gradually build on top of the other. Very excited I am, and I'm going to put a lot of effort to make you also very excited. See you soon. Bye bye.